Shemai, ac Wythnos Gwaith Cymdeithasol hapus I ci. What a wonderful opportunity this is to recognise the vital role our social workers have in society and to praise the work they do to empower communities and individuals across Wales. Whatever the challenges individuals and their families are facing, social workers remain compassionate, considerate and committed. You improve the lives of the people you support by building trusting relationships, promoting independence, and providing support and protection. Whilst we have made a collective commitment to improving the lives of those we support, we also need to collectively address some of the challenges the sector is currently facing. Matters such as recruitment, retention, and the well-being of our social workers are undoubtedly on my radar as Chief Social Care Officer for Wales. As a former social worker myself, I know only too well that you will face moments in your careers that challenge you both emotionally and professionally. But I also understand that social work is such a fulfilling career, giving you the opportunity to work with people of all ages and helping them to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. If you're just starting out in your career in social care, my advice to you is be curious, be a good listener, and cherish the opportunities to build relationships. Thank you once again for all your excellent work and for being there at a time in a person's life when they need care and support.